What lifestyle changes can help reduce tinnitus?
Exercising, socializing with friends and family.
Along the lines of what Dr. Brianne mentioned earlier, community, not isolating, getting out, participating, whether that's a yoga class or even just lunch with friends.
I alluded to this earlier. I think finding ways for you to release stress and tension through things like exercise, hobbies, meditation, socializing can be one of the best ways to help you reduce tinnitus.
Doing things that calm your nervous system, calm your mind, get out of anxiety and stress loops, that will absolutely help you. For many of my patients, they love the guided breathing exercises that are offered in our free 7-day tinnitus meditation challenge. You can find that on YouTube. Just search tinnitus meditation.